Number 3, it says to find the vertex of the quadratic function that is in vertex form. So to do this, we have to first understand what is vertex form. Vertex form of any quadratic is written as a parentheses and x, then there is a minus h squared, and then you're going to plus a k. In this vertex form, we can get the vertex, and it is in the format of h comma k. So for this one, the h here is going to be your 4, and then your k here is going to be your 7. So in vertex form, it is 4 comma 7. Okay. Then let's do B. Same process here. We need to get the h. So the h here is going to be a minus 3. The reason why is because you see this is a plus 3. We want to separate that. So it's really a minus negative 3. That's why the h is considered to be negative 3. And the k is 15. So the vertex would be negative 3 comma 15. And then let's do the y. H is 3 because there's already a negative in front, so it is just a 3. And the k is negative 9. So we can say that the vertex, it would be 3 comma negative 9. So there you go. That is how you find the vertex of a quadratic that is already in vertex form.